It's so funny. How's that book taste?
I don't think so good.
Ah?
She's posing with him.
You feel like talking?
Oh
Ah?
my.
The very lonely firefly. Books are not for eating. Books are for reading.
It's so tempting though, it looks tasty. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Good, turning the page.
Ah?
Good girl. The next page.
That noise is the bread machine. She stopped and looked over her shoulder.
Whoa.
Ooh, fireworks.
Ah.
Ah? She goes silent when we try to take a picture or use the camera. She's like so talkative otherwise.
Can you tell us the story you told us earlier? You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink.
I'm calling our baby a horse.
Nope. It's just a phrase.
I know.
Can't force her to do anything. You show your tooth? You show your tooth?
Can you see it? Okay.
Yeah, there's a little one.
Oh, kind of. Not really. She wants to. She's holding her arms up the whole time. Well, that's about 2.5 minutes of cuteness.
Cuteness.
All cuteness.
Only my mom and Bob like it.